Right everyone, so that's the sheets off. Now I'll just get this this stuff out to the skip. Then I'll take out the vanity and the mirror. This is going to work out nice with a niche. I can run, where's my finger? Yep. I can run, that's probably the right height, or that. I'll have a look-see and a measure shortly. We'll run a stud up there. We're laughing. That's the width I'll make it. I'll come in 50 or 60 mil, the same as that. So it'll be that size, right to the maximum. I'll make that the width of my shower, that line there. So it'll be a nice wide shower. What do we got? Where's the tape measure? So yeah, 960. 960 will be the width of my shower, so that's cool. That leaves enough room for the vanity. I want to leave a gap like that so you can clean the glass and clean the side of the vanity. That's brilliant. I'll want to stay a little bit away from the freestanding bath, but that's cool. It's all going to work out good. We'll see you soon.